Good morning. I am Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, click that link right there, the little square. Like I don't know who I am. Subscribe anyway.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Yesterday, after building the checkout stand, I came in and I boxed up another box of stuff for Junk Bonanza. There's only one box left. Guess what I don't want to do? It's gotta be done. I gotta do it, but I don't want to do it. I tried to go out and clean up my husband's shop, but the dog decided to attack the neighbor dog. That was unpleasant. That was really unpleasant, Margot. Let's never do that again. She didn't actually get a hold of her, but still was unpleasant. So I think I'm gonna try and finish that last box today. My hip is killing me. And I don't know why. I mean, I know I sat a lot, but I stood a lot, and I kind of mixed things up yesterday, but today my hip is just like screaming at me. And I've never had hip problems before, so maybe it's my back muscle going down to my hip. I don't know. But I'm going to get some food in me, have another cup of coffee, and then I'm going to get to work. I don't know how much video I'm going to get shot today, but this is, I mean, Junk Bonanza has taken over. Remember, is that it was dividing the room. It's all Junk Bonanza. That bin is not, but holy cow, it's just starting to stack up everywhere. It's almost time to start packing the van, I think. So my husband came home and killed the spider. And I'm out in the shop dealing with the shoot through. So I've got my little nipper. And all I'm doing is, let's see if I can get you in there, is this. I'm getting all those off. And then I accidentally, for some, it's a miracle, but one of them actually got nailed into the second shelf on this side. So we're going to have to bang that apart and then get that off there. But otherwise, yeah, now the spider's dead. I can finish this up. I'll fold it up. So see what I mean by it doesn't take up any inventory space. Lovely.
Visit my blog, PeonyLaneDesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.